Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center, home of the lifetime powertrain warranty. Today's special is the 2015 Chevy Cruze LTZ with the RS package, stock number X278X. Only 41,000 miles on this local trade, red hot in color. You do receive the Sheboygan Chevy Chrysler exclusive lifetime powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Seats 5, leather interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera for additional safety. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. This LTZ has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded Pioneer sound system, power driver seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, push button start, gauges, again only 41,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio and CD player. Heating and air conditioning along with heated front seats. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto dimming mirror, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon and the city average of 38 on the highway, and approximately 40% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.